What's up guys, my name is Mac Dewar and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom LUTs in Lightroom. So after I released my Into the Woods video about a month ago, I got quite a few questions on how I create my LUTs, so I thought I would just tackle it in this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this link here, which is a Selfie store page, just so you know it's not mine, it's someone else's. And you want to download this LUT generator because that's what we're going to be using to create these LUTs. So if you want to find that, the link is in the description below. So once you have it downloaded, you basically just want to launch the LUT generator. So once you have it launched, you should be greeted by this screen here. And the first step we're going to do is we're going to click Generate a Hold. So basically what this image is this is going to be a placeholder for all of our custom settings that we put into Lightroom. I'll show you exactly what I mean by that, but basically we're gonna end up using this image to create our cube file to create our LUT. So when I created my Into the Woods LUT for that video, I took a screenshot of the footage from the day, which is this here, which is Canon C-Log footage. It was shot on the 1DX using C-Log by James Miller. So basically what you do is you want to take those two images and you just want to import them into Lightroom. Okay, so once you have them imported into Lightroom, you're going to go to the Develop tab and you're going to go to the screenshot of your footage. Okay, so from this point here, you want to be tweaking your image. So I would avoid touching, things like the temperature, clarity, noise reduction, vignetting, those sort of things. You want to be mainly just manipulating the colors and nothing else. So I'm going to start off here, obviously because it's C-Log, we want to be bringing up the contrast to bring in a bit of that, bring down the highlights a little bit, the blacks, up the shadows a little bit, bring the blacks down a little bit more, highlights a little bit more, whites up. Maybe just a little bit more contrast in there, there we go. Move on to the colors. Kind of want these to be sort of like a washed out, sort of like a yellowy, there we go, that's like perfect. Yeah, that was perfect. And I want to desaturate this a little bit as well. So just for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to say that this looks great, it looks meh, but anyway, we're going to go down to copy here, we're going to uncheck white balance, tone curve, clarity, sharpening, noise reduction, effects, and that's it. So we want to keep everything else because that's basically where our color treatment is, where we've manipulated all of our colors, etc. We're going to go copy, and then we're going to go to this image here, which is the one that we generated not too long ago, and we're going to paste all of those attributes onto this image. Once that's done, we want to export. Just choose anywhere to put it. I'm just going to put it onto my desktop and export it. Cool. So basically, this image is our placeholder for all of our Lightroom adjustments that we've just made. We're going to open our generator back up. And what we're going to do is we're going to go convert to cube. We're going to select our image, which is the JPEG. We're going to go open. And then as you can see here, it pops up our cube folder, our LUT. Now I'm going to show you how to apply the LUT in Premiere Pro. Just going to take my hard drive here, which has all of my footage on it. Basically what you want to do from this point is you just want to import your footage that you want to apply your LUT to. Okay, so we're just going to choose a couple clips here, import those. So once you have a piece of your footage in the timeline, I've just chosen this clip right here, just because it matches the screenshot that I took for Lightroom. We're going to right click and add an adjustment layer. We're going to place that adjustment layer over the top of our footage. And then we're going to go into the color tab up here. If you don't have the color tab open, you can just go window and select it out of here. So once you have the color tab open here, we're going to go to the Creative tab, and we're going to hit Browse, and we're going to go to our cube file which we've created. You're going to open that up, and you're going to automatically see that the LUT is applied onto that adjustment layer which is sitting on top of your footage. So the color attributes that you added in Lightroom should now be on this adjustment layer and on top of your footage. So basically that's the gist of it. The good thing about putting the LUT in through the Creative tab rather than the basic correction is you have an intensity slider, so you can change how intense you want your LUT to be on your footage. So this is what it looks like with the LUT applied on full, 100%. And then this is what it looks like without the LUT applied. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. It's a pretty simple way of creating your own custom LUTs. And as you can see, it's pretty seamless and works quite well. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe. If you like these sort of tutorial videos, then let me know because I can make some more. And if you want to buy any of my LUTs or presets, there'll be a link to my Selfie store in the description. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.